Man, what is popping with you guys on the YouTube? Mr. Buck back at it with another video. Today in this video, I'm gonna be talking about the online trading academy, kind of my experience with them, and give you guys a little Forex journey update. Man, how is everybody doing? Everybody good? Everybody straight? Man, I cannot complain, you guys. I'm doing great. I appreciate the 50 subscribers. 50 subs? Man, I did not expect the channel to get 50 subs within the first month. It's not that many subs, but I appreciate everybody who hit that sub button. I would appreciate you guys if you hit the like button, man. I'm trying to get in the algorithm. This my algorithm dance. Let's get in the YouTube algorithm. So, okay, the Online Trading Academy, how I found out about them. If you've seen my last video, best ways to learn Forex in 2020, one of my ways was get local. And what I did was I Googled traders in Milwaukee. So I gave them a call and basically just set up a workshop where basically I'm going to go in, sit down and learn about their program and what they offer. So I get to the building. It's a nice building. They're in a suite. Only three of us showed up to the workshop. So when we sat down and they started teaching, they really were just teaching about, you know, the basics of the market, how they look at the market, how they look at the market, how the institutions really trade. You know, they taught about stop hunts, where, you know, or the institutional candle, where, you know, the banks take people out before moving in the other direction. Really taught about order flow, supply and demand. Really their way of looking at the markets. And what I mean by markets, they're looking at the stock market, stock options, futures. And they also talked about how indicators they're really no good, they're trash, you don't need indicators. They're too much noise on the market and you just don't need indicators. That's what they said. So when they stopped teaching, they set us up with their student, they called it OTA, whereas a student dashboard. They giving us really a free 30-day trial. And they said we're the first ones to ever get a 30-day trial or whatever, which is cool. And then they said we need to go ahead and get you a Clik subscription, C-L-I-K. It's like a trade builder setup. If you see me looking right here, this is my computer. I could probably show you better than I can tell you. Hold on. I hope I can do this. Hope the Online Trading Academy don't hit me with the woo-wop-de-woo or whatever. But anyway, here it is. I was just trying to show y'all real quick. So you gotta set the curve. So you click this button up here, and you're identifying a supply zone and a demand zone. So I don't know. Okay, we'll say this is a supply zone, and this is a demand zone. Yeah, this is just really for the example. So here's the supply and demand zones, right? And you go to check the trend. It's going up. Identify zones. I guess you draw more zones, and it shows you what to do. You long. Basically, what I got from this, you guys, this is a glorified indicator. You guys basically just really shitted on indicators throughout your presentation, and then you tell me to download this Clik, which is basically an indicator. They didn't even teach us how to use the Clik in the class. You see, I don't really know how to use it, and it's confusing. I don't know about you guys, but it is confusing to me. Maybe I didn't put enough into it. Y'all can tell me. I just really didn't have a good feeling about this whole workshop. We got a little bit of downtime, right? Where we're just kind of setting up our accounts or whatever. And, you know, the instructor guy, he comes up to me. He's like, how'd you get into trading? Yeah, I found out about Forex through IML Academy. Have you heard of IML? He was like, no, I haven't heard of IML. I said, I'm really interested in learning more because I see a lot of people pulling profits from the Forex markets. And basically he told me, well, you know, 90% of traders lose their money, you know. So if you're profitable in Forex, you're top of the 8% in the world. So I'm like, on your website, you guys have a $5,500 course on Forex, being a professional Forex trader. And you're sitting here telling me that only 8% of traders make money, and basically making me feel like, nigga, you can't make no money in this Forex. Their focus is more on stocks, options, futures, things like that, which is fine. But you wouldn't have a $5,000 course on Forex. That's just me personally, if you're going to tell me that and basically shit on my Forex dreams. And after that, it was pretty much wraps for me. That was it. There was nothing else we needed to talk about. They said somebody was going to send an email to follow up, but I ain't following up. This is the best thing that came out of that workshop, okay? See, Online Trading Academy, got the bull, You got the bear. I really didn't give it a chance just based off how the workshop went. You guys comment and let me know if any of you guys are in the online trading academy, or if you tried it, or your experience. Let me know. I want to know there's people doing this. Now I'm gonna give you guys a little Forex journey update. I've been just learning every single day, trying to soak everything up like a sponge. I actually got another course, you guys, School of Genius. Raphael. I don't know if you guys know him or watch him. Just look up School of Genius Raphael. You'll find him on YouTube. I actually grabbed his course. He seemed like a genuine kind of guy, and he's pulling a lot of profits from the market. So I said, let me go ahead and get his course. Let me know if you guys want a review of it when I'm done with it. It's not that long of a course, but I'm liking it so far. So let me know if y'all want me to review his course. It has been a little bit difficult for me on my trading journey. I have been very busy with my full-time job. This coronavirus, COVID-19 got things a little bit busy, and I'm actually grateful for that. But I've been very busy working here at my full-time job, but I'm still putting time in every day to learn Forex. Piece by piece, I'm trying to build my trading plan together as I learn certain things. I'm going on more of the institutional kind of trading, looking at fake outs, looking at liquidity grabs. I want to trade the New York Open, which in my time, that's 7 a.m. I'm looking at more USD pairs, more that move in the New York session. When I put together a full trading plan, like I told you guys, I will let you know. I'll break down my trading plan that I make piece by piece, detailed, so you guys can get a little feel of how I'm looking at the markets. I've been in demo a little bit. I haven't been in my little live account that I have, but when I start back up, I think I'm gonna create a new live account and start with about $1,000. I've been analyzing US 30 and like S&P 500, kind of those indices. For the most part, I want to get into those pairs, so I want to come with a little bit more capital. That's basically it, man. That's it for the video. I appreciate you guys watching this video. We going up from here, 50 subscribers, man. I appreciate all the love and support. Leave a like on this video if you did enjoy it. Appreciate you guys. And the way it looks, I'm afraid it's over.